a special holiday edition of Mario Kart with Waffles.
Is Waffles gonna race in the car?
No.
No, she's not gonna race in the car. All right, so you are gonna do the special Merry Mountain, right?
Right. First, I gotta pick my character.
Okay. So what do you want to be?
There's Link.
There's Link. That's right. Oh, we could be Isabelle from Animal Crossing. Yoshi.
I want to be this one. This one. Pink, gold, peach.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Oh, I wonder what that is.
I think it's a new car. Select it. Yeah.
Wow.
It's a new parachute.
What is it? What does it say? What does it say?
It says something on it. MKTV. Mario Kart Television.
Wow. But it doesn't match the car I'm gonna pick.
Yeah. What car are you gonna pick?
That doesn't match. It doesn't match. Oh, that matches. That matches.
Okay.
Okay.
Why don't you do those giant wheels? That'd be kind of funny too. Or tiny wheels? No.
I kind of like the giant wheels.
Okay.
Or no, those because it's stars. Now we gotta pick this.
Ooh, that looks pretty sweet.
I think I'll go with that one.
Okay. So you've got your motorcycle, and we're gonna do a special
Christmas
version. So you gotta go to the moon, the part moon. Oh, you missed it.
Oh.
Go one to the right, to the left.
That's a banana.
It's a moon. And then you gotta go down to Merry Mountain, and then we'll do an actual race, right?
A Grand Prix.
A Grand Prix. But first, you gotta see if you can win a Merry Mountain race, right?
Right.
So, you wanna tell the people a home secret?
What?
We've already done this video once.
Oh yeah, we have. Fillings in my eye.
So we did the video, and it was really good, except we
got 3 first places.
But we didn't actually record the sound of us talking. But this time we're gonna record it. Ooh, I like the motorcycle. Ooh, go.
This is my first time ever racing a motorcycle.
Like in real life, or just in Mario Kart?
I've never rode a motorcycle in real life.
Oh yeah, that's right. You've ridden an electric bike though.
Yeah.
Is it like what happened?
Mario.
Ooh, you got a
throw. Oh, I missed.
You threw it into the crowd. That's not very
I didn't mean to.
So what's your assessment on the bike? Is it harder or better?
I don't really like it.
No? Ooh, she kicked her leg up.
It's too easy to drift.
It does drift.
And I don't want to drift that much.
Well, at Merry Mountain, oh, there's a sled. Look, right above you. It's Santa with his sled.
Oh, I'm in first.
So this is Mario Kart 8, and it's a special expansion pack. Whoa, that was pretty fast. Oh, why you didn't get your kite didn't come out? I think you didn't jump. Good job.
I kind of like going this way better.
Do you? Oh no! Oh, what happened? Oh, you're in second. You're not even in first place anymore, assistant. Get him.
Please get him. Oh, I got myself.
You got everybody, and you lost all your coins.
Get out of here.
Get out of here, guy.
I lost all my coins.
You lost a lot of them. You got 3 now. Assistant, you got to do better.
I know, I'm not doing good right now. I don't really like racing on this motorcycle.
No? Good job. Oh, whoa.
That was cool.
Oh, Mario got you. Banana. Give him the banana.
What in the world?
You got hit by lightning.
I don't have any coins. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there.
Wow, got a nice little boost.
You're back in first place. Final lap. Final lap.
Okay, I'm going up here now. That way I hopefully don't get targeted. Oh, I got a coin.
How do you?
Okay, well, I just got targeted.
Mario. Oh, went right by him. Oh, you did a flip.
Yeah.
That was cool. What do you have? So you got a couple people right behind. Oh, you got the.
Okay, I know how to use this. I know how to use that.
All right, so good.
When someone gets really close to me,
Like that?
Dang it.
Oh, you lost it. Hey, what's that on the left? Oh, it's a candy cane.
Oh no!
Oh, sister, I don't know if you're gonna win.
Please get the yes!
Oh, you got
No!
you got my lightning, and you got made small. You're in second place.
No!
You're
I gotta target them.
You're gonna get the L. You're gonna get an L, sister.
No, I got second.
You hope you got second.
That was not good.
Assistant, that was your worst performance in a long time. Alright, I think you need to practice. So why don't you get a different vehicle?
I don't want to be a motorcycle anymore.
Yeah, well, and we'll do the Merry Mountain again.
Let's watch my highlights.
Oh yeah, let's watch some highlights. So here's your you're taking off. Oh, who's the...
I don't have many highlights.
Oh wow, you got...
Oh! Bye bye, Mario. Oh, then I got zapped.
That was a low light, you getting zapped.
Yeah, that caused me to lose.
Good job there. Good job. Pink, gold.
How do I exit?
Alright, I think you just push a button. Push a different button.
Whoa!
You're
You see that? I can speed it up.
oh, yeah.
And then I can go backwards. Woo! That's cool.
It's like
Okay,
a
well
remix.
now I need to know how to... Oh, there we go.
You gotta quit. Alright, so you're gonna not be a motorcycle.
No, I don't like the motorcycle.
I don't blame you.
A versus race? Okay, now I get to pick somebody.
Metal Mario. I don't like the metal ones.
Oh, you don't?
No. Ooh.
I'm gonna be this one.
Tanuki Mario. He was first introduced in what you would say we now call Super Mario 3.
Oh. Maybe I'll be this race car.
Okay.
That, I'm gonna pick...
You gonna change your tires?
Oh man, I didn't mean to.
Oh well.
Wait, how do I go back? B.
So, yeah.
Oh, those, definitely. What's 500cc?
It means it's slower. So,
So-
100. Go to like 150. We'll give it a little bit more speed. So CC stands for cubic centimeters. That's how much.
What's a mirror race?
I don't know. We'll do that later.
What was it before? Was it 150?
You're at 100, so this is even faster. You got some serious.
Do I have to do
speed.
Merry Mountain again?
Yes, we're gonna do Merry Mountain because this is our holiday version of it, right? Right, people? It's holidays. And what is more holiday than Merry Mountain? Do you know of anything?
Santa.
Well, Santa's on
Where'd
Merry Mountain.
Waffles go? She left.
There's no telling where it's the merriest of all mountains.
Bowser's right there.
People go there to get married. It's Married Mountain. Did you know that? I made that up. Does it feel faster?
I like it better.
Because it's 150cc, so this is like some pretty good displacement. Ooh, you have a boomerang!
Whoa. Oh, well, I still have it. I think I get to keep it until I, like, hit somebody.
Get out of the way, baby Mario! Get out the
No,
way!
did you see them just take that?
So, should we do some where we race against each other? You think that'd be kind of fun?
Yeah. Bruh. Get out of here.
Ooh, good flip! Way to go, Tanuki Mario! Way to go! Anyway, let's make sure we're recording sound. Woo! Woo! Yeah, okay, I think we're recording sound. That was the problem we had the last time we filmed this video. Get him with the... So is this as much fun as our racing game Cruisin'?
Yeah, I like it.
Ooh, good jump. Good job. You got it. What do you have? What do you have? What's your... Oh, you got the sound blaster. Watch out for that. Banana.
I avoided it.
Oh, you got coins.
I was gonna use
You
the
got decoined.
Yeah! Did you see me use that? No,
That
I gotta
was
use
pretty-
my speed. Whoa! Did you see me just take that shortcut?
I didn't even know there was a shortcut there.
Me neither.
Good job. You're in second place. Let's see if you can get over him. Oh, you made up some ground, but not quite enough. Oh no! You got hit by lightning.
Now I'm tiny.
And now you're a tiny racer. Not a tiny dancer, a tiny racer. Oh, hi, Yoshi. When are you going to be made bigger? No, you're big. There she is. You can get her. Oh!
Yeah!
First place. That's the best place to be in. Especially in the final lap. Good, good, good. Oh no, watch out, watch out!
Oh, I don't know how to avoid those.
I told you to watch out. You didn't watch out. Hey, there's Santa's sleigh on a train. See if you can catch the train. Ooh, that'd be kind of cool if you could jump on top of it. Get it!
No!
Oh no! How did that even happen?
I don't know how that happened.
Inkling Boy beat you.
What the heck? How did they do that?
How did Inkling Boy get ahead of you?
Let's watch my highlight reel.
I don't even know what that was even about.
In case you missed that start.
Oh yeah, that was a good start. Good start. Oh!
Oh,
That was a nice boomerang. Oh, get out of the way, little baby Mario.
Did you see that?
I did see it.
Look, they're like crying, and then I
Oh,
hit
like,
them.
wah, wah, wah. Oh, that was a good
that
flip.
was cool. Bam! That's what put me ahead, but then he passed me. I don't know even how he passed me.
I think they jumped and they got the accelerator, then you didn't get it.
Probably. Okay, I forget how to stop this. Oh, there we go. What do I do? Quit?
Yeah. All right, so I think we've done Merry Mountain twice. Do you want to
Grand Prix.
do the assistant's pick on what race you want to do?
Yes.
You want to do a Grand Prix is 4 races.
Or should I just do a versus race and do one?
It's up to you. What do you think you should do?
I'll just do one.
Okay.
Okay, I get to pick a new character.
Oh, Donkey Kong.
Larry.
Larry. Lemmy.
I think I might be...
Isabel?
No,
Roy. Who's Roy?
not Peachette. I think I'll be, this dude.
Lemmy?
Lemmy.
I don't even know who Lemmy is.
Me neither. But we get to pick a new car. Ooh, that one looks kind of cool.
Ooh, that one's new. I don't even remember the Splat Buggy. I don't even remember the Splat Buggy.
Okay, let's pick some wheels. Ooh, that looks pretty cool.
Those are definitely awesome.
I think I'll go with that. There we go.
All right, good, good, good. Now, what do you want to do?
I get to pick my very own.
Hey, there's an Animal Crossing race where you get to go across the.
Really?
Yeah, if you go up, go to the right.
Ooh, I want to do London Loop.
Okay. But yeah, there's one where you race around your Animal Crossing island.
Oh, that's cool.
But do you think it's cool?
Yes.
But do you think it's really cool? Do you think? Ooh,
Ooh, it has. Oh, look,
that's
it
the
has.
Tower Bridge. Oh, look at all the fun stuff.
Have I done this one before?
No, I don't think so.
Let's go, Lemmy.
Mario Kart. Ooh, good start. Oh, Piranha Pete's there. Good job, good job. Racing around London. Just doing some London racing.
Got him! I don't know where I'm going.
Oh, watch out for the double-decker bus!
Whoa!
Okay.
Oh, watch out for that.
I'm trying to recognize the landmark. So this looks like the Tower Bridge.
It is.
So that means you just passed the Tower of London. There's the London Eye in front of you. We stayed at the hotel right next to the London Eye. Do you remember that?
Yes.
And there was that museum called the London Dungeon that was in there.
The London Dungeon.
Yeah. Oh, Big Ben! Parliament. You just crossed the River Thames.
Gotta watch out for that dude.
Yeah, you don't want that to hit you. That'd be bad. Buckingham Palace.
I got a coin.
Hi, everybody. We gotta go up these steps.
We didn't do this last time.
Yeah, where are you at?
I don't know.
I think you might have taken a different route.
I'm still in first. So.
Is that the British Museum?
What is that?
You're gonna get splattered with ink!
Okay, that's not that bad.
Yeah, it's doable. It's just harder to see.
Look at my character. It's covered in ink. Oh, not anymore.
Gotta go to the right. Gotta go to the right.
Hold on, how do I avoid it?
Oh no! You have to
No, and I'm small. I just got hit
It's
twice.
a 1-2. Don't get that banana, then it'll be a 1-2-3.
Oh my gosh.
Oh! What is going on? Third lap. Third lap.
They're targeting me.
I think they are. I think you
Ah,
are
banana. Hummus.
unfairly being targeted.
What? Why is this? What's happening? Why is
It's
it?
like following you. All right. Oh! Somebody's right next to you.
I know. I saw that.
Oh, Mario! So we're right by the tower.
This is like a different route every single time.
It does seem that way, doesn't it? Because you're over by. You just crossed the Thames. I don't see Big Ben. Oh look, it's little toe. All right.
Okay, we're
Tower
back on.
Bridge.
Oh no!
Jump!
I don't know how to
You
jump.
gotta push the front right, like you're
That's
drifting.
not. That's drifting. That's not jumping.
Well, you could have done it. Hey, it looks like they have little Christmas trees up for this one too.
No idea.
Oh yeah, the racetrack is definitely different. Yeah, so that's the London County Marriott right there. Uh-oh. That wasn't cool. That wasn't cool. You lost. Because that's the finish line. You better get him! You better!
Why do I keep finishing in second?
Because you're a loser.
Ow.
Just kidding. You're not a loser. You're a winner who just happens to come in second a lot. That make you feel better?
3. Whoa.
Way to go. Lemmy from the US of A. That's where you're at. So since that we've done Mario Kart 8 and we did 2 special races on Merry Mountain, right?
Right.
So what do you think people should do next?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That's right.
Thanks for watching.
And I think in the future we're going to do some Mario Kart races against each other.
Oh, okay.
Pretty fun, huh?